Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today I am going to solve the past paper of IGCSE. This subject is mathematics, paper number 4, and also called extended paper. So paper code is 0580 and paper version is 43, means 43. Which one is held in October, November 2024. The total time is 2 hours and 30 minutes. Question number 1. Dinari sells fruit and vegetables. One day the mass of fruit and vegetable he sell in the ratio of fruits ratio vegetable. The given ratio is 9:7. He sells 48 kg of the vegetables. Find the mass of the fruit. So the first of all, the given ratio should be written in 9:8 is equal to, first one is 9 is fruits. So we have to find the mass of fruit. Let the mass of fruit is x ratio. Second one is 8 and 8 is vegetable. So the given mass of vegetable is 48 kg. So ratio should be written in fraction. 8/9 is equal to x over 48. Now we have to find the values of x. So 48 multiply with 9 multiply 48 divided with 8 is equal to x. First of all, 9 with multiply with 48, then we divide with 8. So the final answer is 54. So the answer is 54. Part B. On another day, he received $280 for the fruit and vegetables. He sells the $280 in the ratio fruit ratio vegetables. The given ratio is C plus 3 ratio C minus 3. Find the amount he received from the selling fruit. So now we have to find the value of C. C is selling amount of selling fruit. So these are given ratio, that is equal to 280. Like that, C plus 3 ratio plus C minus 1, that is equal to 280. C plus C, 2C. 3 minus 1 minus 2 is equal to 280. So shift 2 on other side. 2C is equal to 280 plus this is plus 2. Shift on other side, it will be negative. 2C is equal to 278 divide with 2. C is equal to 278 divided with 2. C is equal to 139. So the value of C is 139. Now this value put in this equation. C plus 3. What is the value of C? C is 139. Plus 3, that is equal to 142. So the values of fruit, this one we have only find the values of fruit, okay, not vegetable. So that's why I have only this value. So the final answer is 142. Question number C, part C. In 1 week, Dinari buys fruit and vegetables for 1620. He sells the fruit and vegetable for 1750. Calculate profit in percentage. First of all, we calculate profit. Profit is equal to, this one is selling price and this one is cost price. So 1750 minus CP यानी कि cost price. Cost price that is equal to 1620. So 1750 minus 1620, that is equal to 130. This is profit. Now we have to find the percentage of profit. Percentage of profit. Percentage of profit formula is profit divided with CP, means that cost price, multiply 100%. Profit is 130 divided by cost price. Cost price is 1620 multiply 100%. After simplification, we get 8.02%. Part D. In another week, Dinari sells fruit and vegetable for 1738. He make a profit 10%. Calculate the amount he pay for the fruit and vegetable in a week. Like this, we have to find the cost price. Here is not is given cost price. This one is selling price. Okay, this one is profit in percentage. So first of all, we let that X be the cost price. Okay, the formula is cost price plus profit percentage of cost price. 10% is equal to selling price. Now we have to consider that, suppose that X is equal to CP. X 10% should be written in 0.1 and CP is X is equal to SP. SP means selling price is 1738. This is 1x plus 0.1x, that is equal to 1.1x is equal to 1738. Now we have to find the values of x, so divided with 1.1 on both sides. X is equal to 1738 divided with 1.1. So x is equal to, use calculator, x is equal to 1580. 1580, final answer. Question number 2. A is the point, 3 and 7 and B is the point -1 and 5. Find the coordinate of the midpoint of AB. So the formula of midpoint of AB is equal to x1 plus x2 divided by 2, comma y1 plus y2 divided by 2. Putting values of xy, x1 is first number, that is 3, plus, and x2 is -1 divided with 2. y1 is 7 plus y2 is 5 divided with 2. So 3 minus 1, 2, 2 divided with 2, we get 2 divided with 2. So 7 plus 5, 12 divided with 2. 2 divided with 2, 1. 12 divided with 2, that is equal to 6. So the required coordinate is 1 and 6. Part B. Write AB as a column vector. So AB should be written in B minus A is equal to the point of B is -1 and 5 minus the point of A is 3 and 7. -1 minus 3, 5 minus 7, -1 minus 3 minus 4, 5 minus 7, that is equal to -2. The required column vector is -4 and -2. Part 3. AC is equal to 3BA. Find the coordinate of C. Let us consider that XC having coordinate is X and Y. So AC should be written in C minus A is equal to 3. BA should be written in A minus B. The coordinate of C is xy minus coordinate of A. The coordinate of A is 3 and 7. Is equal to 3. Coordinate of A is 3 and 7 minus coordinate of B is -1 and 5. Okay. Now x y minus 3 7 is equal to 3, and x minus with this one, 3 minus plus 3 plus 1 4, and 7 minus 5, 7 minus 5, which is equal to 2. xy is equal to 3 multiplied by 4, 12, and 3 multiplied by 2, 6. This vector shift on other side, it will be positive 3 and 7. So add first number x, y, 12 plus 3 that is equal to 15, and 6 plus 13, 6 plus 7 that is equal to 13. This is required answer. First one is 15 and second is 13. Part B. Part A. Part 1. Rotate shape P through 180 about the point 1 and 0. 4 and 1. Here is point of 4 and 1. We should rotate 180. 180 means this one is totally reverse. Here is point is 1, 2, 3. Move in this side. 1, 2, 3. So draw line this one. Okay, and now here is 1, 2. This is upward, and now we have to draw downward. 1, 2, like this. Okay, now 1, 2. So draw 1, 2. Draw like this, and now join this point. This is our shape, rotation of shape about 180. Okay, and now part B. Reflection P in the line y is equal to x plus 2. The values of x here is 4. Put here 4 plus 2 that is equal to 6. So y is equal to 6. So here is 6. Okay, and put here the values of y here. 1 is equal to x plus 2. My plus 2 move on other side, it will be negative 1 minus 2 is equal to x, and x is equal to minus 1. Here is minus 1. X is equal to minus 1. So now we have to move in this side from this point. Okay, like this. 1, 2, like this. 1, 2. We rotate it. 1, 2. One. Okay, and now this point, move this point. This one is horizontal. 1, 2, 3. We should move in vertical. 1, 2, 3. Draw line. Okay, and now the remaining is this one. 1, 2, upward. 1, 2. The point is here. Draw a line and join this point to this point. Okay, question number 2. Now question number 3. Describe the fully single transformation map P, this one is shape P, onto shape Q, and this one is shape Q. First of all, here this is a center of both shape. The center is, here is 3 and here is also 3. The center is 3 3. And now we have to show that now that this one is upper side and this one is downside due to shape. If I rotate on this side like this, okay, so it will be reverse. So the factor is, this is 1 like this, this is 1 2 and this is 1 and this is half. So the second transformation is scaling factor is half and also negative because they have reverse direction. First one is upper and second is down, so reverse direction. That's why -1/2. And if we, this shape is expanded, if we expanded this shape, then it will be enlargement. So the third is enlargement. Question number 3, part A. ED invest $500 in a account, paying rate is % per year single interest. At the end of 16 year, the total amount of ED amount is $675. Calculate the value, means that find the value of R. First of all, we have to write data. This one is principal. P is equal to $500 and R is in percentage, that is equal to R, and time is 14 years, and amount is $675. Now the formula of simple interest, SI is equal to P multiply T multiply R divided with 100. Putting the values of these, the simple interest, that is equal to A minus P is equal to P multiply T multiply R divided with 100. Okay, what is A? The values of A is 675 minus P is 500 is equal to P is 500 multiply T is 14 years, R is equal to small r divided with 100. So 675 minus 500 675 minus 500, we get 175 is equal to 500 multiply with, so this 20 cancel with this 20, remaining is 5 multiply 14r. So 175 is equal to 5 multiply 14, that is equal to 70 r. So divide with 70, r is equal to 175 divided with 70, so r is equal to 2.5. The final answer is 2.5. Part B. Eva invests $400 at the rate 2.2% per year compound interest. Calculate the total interest earned at the end of 11 years. So first of all, we have two written data. This one is principal P is equal to 400 and rate R is equal to 2.2%. So it should be equal to, divide with 100, we get 0.022, and now time is 11 years. We have to calculate the interest. The formula of interest is I is equal to A minus P. The given data is P, R and T, not A. So first of all we calculate A. So A is equal to P into 1 plus R raised to the power T. A is equal to, what is the value of P? P is equal to 400. 1 plus R. R is 0.022. 0.022. T is 11. So A is equal to 400. Add these values, we get 1.022 overall power 11. So A, take the power 11 of values 1.002 and multiply with 400, we get 508.18. This is the amount. Now this value put here. I is equal to A is equal to 508.18 minus P is 400. So I 508.18 minus 400, we get 108.18. So the final answer is 108.18. Part C. Erin invests $700 at the rate of P% per month compound interest. At the end of 21 years, the value of Erin's invest is $1,000 and 74 correct to the nearest dollar. Calculate the value of P. Now we have to find the values of P. First of all, we write data. This one is principal. P is equal to 700. Next is R. R is equal to P percentage. That is equal to percentage divided with 100. We get 0.0 P. And next is time. The given time is 21 years, but we have to find P in month, so we should year convert into month. So 21 multiply with 12, that is equal to 252 month. Okay, now we have formula. Amount is equal to P into 1 plus R overall power T. So the amount is, here is amount, this one is amount A. So A is equal to 1074. 1074 is equal to P. P is 700. 1 plus R. R is equal to, if we write in this this, it will be okay, no problem. It will be equal to P percentage. The time is 252. So divide with 700. 1074 divide with 700 is equal to 1 plus P percentage overall power 252. So 1074 divided with 700, we get 1.534 is equal to 1 plus P percentage overall power 252. So taking root of 252 on both sides, 1.534 252 cube root 1 plus P percentage overall power 252. This power cancel with root. So taking the cube root, use calculator, we get 1.001 is equal to 1 plus P percentage. One shift on other side, it will be negative. 1.001 minus 1 is equal to P percentage. So 1.001 minus 1, that is equal to 0.001 is equal to P percentage. So 1.0 0.001 is equal to P divided with 100. This 100 multiply with this value 0.001 multiply with 100 is equal to P. So multiply these values, we get 0.17. This is our final answer. So P is equal to 0.17. Question number 4, part A. A box contain 50 cuboid. Each cuboid has a mass of 135 gram. The total mass of the cuboid and the box is 7 kg. Okay. The given total mass is 7 kg. Now first of all we calculate the total mass of cuboid, that one. Total mass of cuboid. How many cuboid? 50 multiply with mass. Mass is 135 is equal to, multiply these values, we get 6750 gram. So total mass is 7 kg. Give your answer should be in gram, so that why kg convert into gram. 7 multiply 1000 is equal to 7000 gram. So we have to calculate the mass of the box. Mass of a box is equal to 7000 minus 6750. So we get 250 gram. Our final answer, 250 gram. Part B. A solid cube of the side is 4 centimeter is fixed to the base inside an empty cube of the side 6 centimeter. The water is poured into the large cuboid until it reaches the top of the smaller cube. Calculate the amount of the water poured into the large cuboid. First of all, we have to calculate the volume of large. So we put formula volume of water. We have to calculate water poured. Volume of water, that is equal to volume of large minus volume of small cuboid. The volume of the volume of large cuboid, that is equal to L multiply base multiply height minus length multiply base multiply height. So volume of water is equal to the length of the large volume is large cube of is 6 and base is also 6, multiply height is 4, multiply with 4, minus in small side the all side are equal, that is equal to 4. So length is 4, base is 4 and height is also 4. Volume of water is equal to, multiply these values, we get 144 minus multiply these values, we get 64. So subtract these values, we get 80. So the final answer is 80 centimeter cube. Part C. This is a given diagram. The diagram shows a solid triangular prism of the length is, this one is length is equal to 20 centimeter. Cross sectional is the equilateral triangle with side length. This one is side length is 4 centimeter. The prism is made of wood having a density is equal to 0.85 gram per centimeter cube. Calculate the mass of the prism. The formula is given this. We have to calculate the mass. Density, the given formula, density is equal to mass over volume. We have to calculate mass. So mass is equal to density multiply volume. So M is equal to density multiply volume. Volume is equal to A multiplied by L. A multiplied by L. A is area and L is length. So mass is equal to density is D. Area of prism, the formula of area of prism is square root 3 divided with 4 multiply S square, means side square, side multiply by side, multiply L. M is equal to, putting the values of D, D is 0.85 multiply square root 3 divided with 4 multiply S, S is 4, 4 raised to the power 2 multiply L, L is 20. So calculate these value, we get 117.7. This is a mass of the prism. So write here 117.7. Part D. The diagram show a solid cone with a base is 10 centimeter and height is 24 centimeter. This one is base and this is height. Show that the total surface area of the cone is 1131 centimeter square. So the formula of total surface of cone, total surface of cone is equal to pi r into r plus L. What is r? R is radius, this one. So r is equal to 10. What is r? R is length. So we calculate length first. Using Pythagoras theorem, L is equal to square root r square plus h square. L is equal to, what is the values of r? R is 10 square plus height is 24. Calculate these values, we get L is equal to 26. Put all values in formula. Pi 3.14 multiply with r. R is 10 into 10 plus L is 26. Calculate these values, we get 1131.1 centimeter square, hence proved. Part 2. The total surface of the coin is painted. The cost of the painted of the coin is $1.71. Calculate the cost of the paint 1 centimeter square of the cone. Give your answer in cent. Okay, so the total cost of the paint is 1.71 divided with total surface area. The total surface area, which one is find on above, that is equal to 1130.9. so they give your answer in cent. This in the given cost amount is in dollar, so multiply with 100. Why we multiply with 100? We know that $1 is equal to 100 cent, so that's why we multiply with 100. After calculation we get 0.1512. 0.1512 is our final answer. Part B. 1 tin of the paint has enough paint to cover 2.5 meter square. Calculate the number of these cones that can be painted completely using 1 tin of paint. So first of all, our total surface area is in centimeter square, is in like this, is in centimeter square, but here is meter square. First of all, we convert meter square into centimeter square. Convert meter square into centimeter square. So 2.5 multiply with 10,000, that is equal to 2500 centimeter square. So number of these coins can be calculated. Total paint coverage, divided by total surface area. Total paint coverage is this one, that is equal to 2500 divided with total surface area. The total surface area is 1130.9. Calculate these values, we get 22. So the number of cone is 22. Question number 5. Nomi run 100 meter in 15 seconds. Calculate Nomi speed, Nomi average speed in kilometer per hour. First of all, we convert meter into kilometer. So first of all, we convert meter into kilometer. 100 meter, that is equal to 100 divided with 10,000. When we convert meter into 1000, the given value divided with 1000, so it will be converted in kilometer. So 100 meter, that is equal to 0.1 kilometer. And now we convert time is in second. So second convert in hours. 15 second is equal to 15 divided with 3600, that is equal to 15 second is equal to, using calculator, 15 divided with 3600. So it is also written in this form, 15 over 3600. Now we have to calculate the average speed. The average speed formula is average speed is equal to distance over time. The distance is 0.1. The time is 15 divided with 3600. 3666 00 multiply this value. So average speed is equal to 0.1 multiply 3600 divided with 15. Calculate these values, we get average speed is 24. So write here 24 kilometer per hour. Part B. Olive runs 45 minutes at a speed of 9.5 km per hour. He then ran 8.1 km at a speed of 7.5 km per hour. Calculate the Olive's average speed of the whole. The average speed formula is total distance divided with total time. First of all, we calculate total distance. This one is first run. This one. Here time is 45 minutes. So minute should be converted in hours divided with 60, that is equal to 0.75 hours. And minute and speed is kilometer per hour. So write the formula of speed. Speed is equal to distance over time. Now we calculate distance. Speed is 9.5 multiply with time. The value of time is 0.75, that is equal to d. Multiply these values, we get distance is 7.125 kilometer. This one is first round. And now second is he then run. This one is also distance. D is equal to 8.1 kilometer and speed is 7.5 kilometer per hours. Now we have to calculate time. The formula of speed is equal to distance over time. The given speed is 7.5 is equal to distance is 8.1 divided with t. We have to calculate t, so t shift on this side and 7.5 shift on this side. So t is equal to 8.1 divided with 7.5. So t is equal to 1.08. Now this one is time, first time, and this one is second time, and this one is first distance and this one is second distance. Now we calculate average speed using this formula. Average speed is equal to total distance. Add up these values like this: 7.125 plus 8.1 divided with total time. Time is 0.75 plus 1.08. This one. Add up these values and divide with each other. We get 8.32 kilometer per hours. The final answer is 8.32 kilometer per hours. Part C. A train has a length is p meter. The train passes through a station of length q meter. The speed of the train is v kilometer per hour. Find an expression for the time the train takes to completely pass through the station. Give your answer in second in term of p, q and v. First of all, we calculate the distance. Here is a length of train and this one is a length of station. So total distance is equal to p plus q, both in meter. Okay, and now speed is in kilometer per hours. V kilometer per hours is equal to V. So kilometer convert into meter. So 1 kilometer, that is equal to 1000 meter, 1000 meter. And 1 hours, that is equal to 3600 second. So calculate these values. We get 5 cut with this cut and cancel with 2, we get 5v over 18 meter per second. So write the formula. Speed is equal to distance over time. Now we have to calculate the time, find expression in the term of time. So time is equal to distance over speed. Time t is equal to, what is the distance? The distance is p plus q over speed. Speed is 85v over 18. So 18 should be multiplied on upper side. So t is equal to 18 into p plus q divided with 5v. So this is our final answer. Question number 6. Simplify 24u divided with 5y. Multiply 10 over 3u. So in this expression, u cancel with u. 5 1 is 5. 5 2s are 10. 3 1 is 3. 3 8s are 24. So remaining values is 8 multiply 2 divided with y. 8 multiply 2, that is equal to 16 over y. So the final answer is 16 over y. Part B. Expand and simplify x minus x into x plus 2 into x plus 3. So first of all, calculate these two pair. X multiply with x, that is equal to x square, and this x multiply with 2, that is equal to plus 2x. And now this minus multiply with x, minus x, and minus 1 multiply with 2, that is equal to minus 2. X plus 3 is same. So x square 2x minus x, that is equal to x minus 2 is same. Now x plus 3, like this, x square multiply with x, this is equal to x cube, and this x is multiply with 3, that is equal to 3x square, and x multiply with x, that is equal to plus x square, and this x multiply with 3, which one is equal to 3x. Minus 2 multiply with x, that is equal to minus 2x, and minus 2 multiply with plus 3 is equal to minus 6. X raised to the power 3 is same. 3x square plus 1x square, that is equal to 4x square, and 3x minus 2x, that is equal to x, and minus 6 is same. This is our final expression. X raised to the power 3 plus 4x square plus x minus 6. Part C. Solve the equation 2x square plus x minus 5 is equal to 0. You must show all your working and your answer correct to the 2 decimal places. The given equation is 2x square plus x minus 5 is equal to 0. Using quadratic formula, a is equal to 2, b is equal to 1 and c is equal to minus 5. Using quadratic formula, x is equal to minus b plus minus square root b square minus 4ac over 2a. So x is equal to, what is the values of b? B is 1, minus 1 plus minus square root 1 square minus 4 into a is 2 and c is minus 5 divided with 2 multiply 2. X is equal to minus 1 plus minus, calculate these values, we get square root 41 divided with 2 multiply 2 is equal to 4 and x is equal to minus 1 plus, calculate square root 41, which one is equal to 6.403 divided with 4. So x is equal to minus 1 plus 6.403 divide with 4, and now x is equal to minus 1 plus 6.403 divided with 4. Here we put minus. First one is plus and second one is minus. So calculate these values, divide with 4, we get 1.35, and now use calculator, divide with 4, we get minus 1.85. Right here 1.35 and x is 1.85. Question number 7. Part A 1. Here is a diagram. Calculate the area of trapezium. So first of all we write the formula of to find the area of trapezium. A is equal to 1 by 2 into A plus B multiply with H. A is upper side and B is lower side, and here this one is H. Okay, A is equal to 1 by 2. What is the value of A? A is 13 plus B is 9 and H is 8. A is equal to 1 by 2. Sum up these values, we get 22 multiply with 8. Calculate these values, we get 88. Right here 88 centimeter square. Part 2. The area of trapezium is 24264 centimeter. Show that 2x square plus 2y square plus 9y minus 518 is equal to 0. Using the formula, first of all write formula. Area is equal to 1 by 2 into A plus B multiplied by H. A is area. The given area is this one. This one is A. So 264 is equal to 1 by 2 into A is this, y plus 4 plus B. The value of B is y plus 1 into H is y plus 2. So this values is divide. In this side it will be multiplied with 264. We get 528 is equal to y plus y, 2y, 1 plus 4, that is equal to 5, and y plus 2 is same. So 528 is equal to 2y multiplied with y, that is equal to 2y square, and 2y multiplied with 2 plus 4y, and 5 multiplied with y plus 5y, 5 multiplied with 2, that is equal to 10. So 228 shift in this side, 2y square, 5y and 4y, that is equal to 9y plus 10 minus 528 is equal to 0. 2y square plus 9y minus 518 is equal to 0. Hence proved. Part B. Solve 2y square plus 9y minus 518 is equal to 0 by factorization method. Find the value of y. So first of all, we multiply 2 with 518. So we get 5 multiply with 2 multiply with 518, we get 1036. So we have to find two number. These two number, when we multiply with each other, we get 1036, and these number we subtract to each other, we get 9y. So the required, that's why this is also called a midterm break formula. So 2y square minus 28y plus 37y minus 518. These are two number. 28 minus 28 plus 37. Multiply with each other, we get 1036, and subtract with each other, we get plus 9. In these values we get 2 common. In these values we get 2 2y common, so remaining value is y minus 1 4 plus we take 37 from these values, the remaining values is y minus 14, that is equal to 0. So y minus 14 take also common, the remaining and also second pair is 2y plus 37 is equal to 0. Both pair are equal to 0. Y minus 14 is equal to 0 and 2y plus 37 is equal to 0. So y is equal to 14. So 2y is equal to shift 37 on other side, it will be negative. So y is equal to minus 37 over 2. We have to find the positive values of y. So the only positive value is this one, that is equal to y is equal to 14. So the final answer is 14. Part B. The diagram shows a sector of a circle with radius r and angle is theta. Find the perimeter of the sector. The formula to find the perimeter of sector, that is equal to length of arc plus 2r. Okay, the length of arc having formula theta divided with 360 multiply with 2 pi r plus 2r. What is the values of theta? Theta is equal to 75 divided with 360 multiply with 2. What is the values of pi? Pi is equal to 3.14 and r is 8. Plus 2 into r is 8. Calculate these values, we get 10.46 plus 16. 2 multiply 8, that is equal to 16. Add these values, we get 26.46. That is final answer, 26.46. Part C. The diagram show that shape ABQP made from a straight line and the arc of the sector of a circle. This sector has a center O and angle is 90. This angle is equal to 90 degree. The POQ, this line POQ is a straight line and AP, PO and OQ and BQ, that is equal to 5 centimeter, such that this one is also 5 centimeter, this one is also 5 centimeter and BQ is equal to 5 centimeter. Find the area of ABQP. Give your answer in the form of A plus K pi. First of all, we calculate the area of this triangle. This triangle and this triangle is same. Okay, there is 90 angle. This one is perpendicular, and this one is base, and this one is hypotenuse. So let us we consider this one is R. So R is equal to, use Pythagoras theorem, R is equal to 5 square plus 5 square, like this. This one is perpendicular and this one is base. So R is equal to square root 50. Okay, and now find the area of triangle. This one is now area of triangle of this triangle. The area of triangle AOP. The formula of area of triangle is base multiply height divide with 2. Area of AOP is equal to, base is 5, height is also 5, divide with 2. So this triangle AOP, 5 multiply with 5, that is equal to 25, divide with 2. This one is area of triangle. And now we find the area of second triangle. This one and this one is same. So area of triangle BOP, that is also equal to 25 over 2. Now we find the total area of triangle. Total area of triangle. Sum up these area. The first area is 25 divided by 2 and second is also 25 by 2, that is equal to 25. And now find the area of sector. This one, first of all we find these area, which one and which one, and now we have to going to find this area. This one is sector. Okay, to find the area of sector, that is equal to theta is equal to 360 multiply pi r square. The theta is 90, the given angle is 90, divide with 360 multiply with pi. Not put the value of pi because our answer should be in the form of pi. What is the value of r? R is 8. No. R is square root 50. R is square root 50 overall square. Okay, and now this square cancel with this one, 0 cancel with 0, and 9 1 is 9. So we get calculate these values. We get 25 over 2 pi over 2. 9 multiply with 5 divided with 3, 36. We get 25 over 2 and also with pi. Okay, and now we are going to find the area of ABQP. The area of ABQP is equal to total area of triangle, that is equal to 25, plus total area of sector. The total area of sector is equal to 25 over 2 pi. So this is our final answer. Question number 8. Guleme measure the speed of each of 100 cars. The result are shown in the table. Here the first table is the speed, kilometer per hours, and frequency is 15, 20, 35 and 30. Guleme draw a pie chart of this data. Calculate the angle of the interval. This interval. Calculate the angle of this interval. So we have to going to find the angle of this interval. First of all, we use formula frequency. The frequency of this interval is 35 divided with 100 multiply total angle. The total angle is 360 degree. Calculate these values. We get 126 degree. Now the second one is calculate the esteemed mean speed. First of all, we write the formula of mean. Mean is equal to summation of f multiply x divided by summation of f. F is frequency which is given in the table. What is x? X is midpoint. How we find the midpoint? Use these 2 points. We find the midpoint. We draw another table here. That name is x. X is the midpoint. So first of all, we calculate the midpoint. 30 plus 40 divided with 2, like this. 30 plus 40 divided with 2, we get 35. Up to so on and like this. The midpoint of this interval, that is equal to 42.5, and midpoint of this interval, that is equal to 47.5. and now calculate the midpoint of this interval, that is equal to 60. In this formula, f and x are multiplied. So draw another table with the multiplication of f and x. Multiply this value. 15 multiply with 35, we get 5 to 5, and 20 multiply with this value, we get 850, and 35 multiply with 47.5, we get 1662.5, and 30 multiply with 60, that is equal to 1800. Summation means sum of f of x. This one is f of x. Sum of these values, we get 4837.5, and summation of f means that sum of these values frequency, this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one, that is equal to 100. Put these values in this formula. Summation of f of x is equal to 4837.5 divided with 100. So mean is 48.375 kilometer per hours. Right here, 48.375. Part C. Complete the histogram to show the data in the table. The first interval is 30 to 40. The first interval is 30 to 40. So first of all, we calculate the frequency distance or frequency density. The formula of frequency density is FD is equal to frequency divided with class width. So this one is first interval, put here 1. The frequency of first interval is 15, here like this one, that is equal to 15 divided with class width. How we find class width? For upper minus the difference of upper and lower, like this, 40 minus 30, that is equal to 10 divided with 10. So that is equal to 1.5. So 1.5 is here like this. Draw a straight line here, okay, and shaded this area. And now this one and second one is also given. Now we find the third interval. The third interval is 40 to this one, 45 to 50. Here this is a value of 45 to 45. Right here F3D is equal to frequency over class width. The frequency of third interval is 35 divided with class width. The class width is 5. 50 subtract 45, that is equal to 5. 35 divided with 5, that is equal to 7. So the frequency distance is 7. So here like this. This one. And draw here. And shaded this area. And now the fourth and final interval is 50 to 70. 50 to 70. Write the formula. F4D is equal to frequency over class width. The frequency is 30 of fourth interval and class width is 70 minus 50, that is equal to 20. So we get 1.5. Also this one point is 1.5. So draw this. So shaded this area. And also shaded this area. Now question number 9. A bag contains 5 white ball and 3 black ball. So sum of these values 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. Marwan pick a ball from the bag at random and then replace it. Find the probability that the ball is white. First of all, we find the probability of white ball is equal to number of white ball. Number of white ball is 5 divided with total ball. Total ball is 8. So the required probability is 5 over 8. Nomi pick a ball from a bag at random and then replace it. She repeat it 120 times. Find the number of times the ball is expected to the white. So we have to find the probability of white. The probability of white is 5 over 8 multiply with number of time. Number of time is 120. Calculate these values, we get 75. Part B. Oscar pick a ball from the bag at random. He replaces it and then pick a second ball from the bag. Find the probability that the ball are the same color. Now we are going to find the probability of same color. The required probability is probability of white into white plus probability of black into black. So the probability of white is 5 over 8 multiply 5 over 8 plus the probability of black is, how many black ball is 3? 3 over 8 multiply 3 over 8. 5 multiply with 5, that is equal to 25 over 8 multiply 8, 64 plus 3 multiply with 3 is 9 and 8 multiply 8 is 64. Sum of these values we get 17 over 32. The final answer is 17 over 32. Part 2. Find the probability that the ball are not the same color. So we are find the probability that are not in same color. The required formula is 1 minus probability of the same color. So 1 minus the probability of same color is this one, 17 over 32. Calculate these values, we get 15 over 32. So final answer is 15 over 32. Now part C. Priya picks 3 of the 8 ball from the bag at random without replacement. Find the probability that she picked 2 white ball and 1 is black ball. So the required probability is 2 white ball and 1 black ball, that is 2 white ball and 1 is black ball, plus the probability should be like that, white, black, white, plus the last one is black, white, white. The probability of white, first white, is 5 over 8. Second one is already removed, so the remaining is 4 over 7. Okay, and multiply black. How many black ball? Black ball is 3. So 2 is already removed. Divide with 6. Like this, multiply with 3. After these values simplification, we get 5 over 28 multiply with 3. So 5 multiply with 3 over 28. 5 multiply 3, that is equal to 15 over 28. The final answer is 15 over 28. Question number 10. The diagram show a sketch of the graph y is equal to 3 plus 2x plus x square. A is a point -1 and 0 and B is the point 2, 3. First of all, question A is find the derivative of this one. So this values is equal to y is equal to 3 plus 2x minus x square. Taking derivative on both sides, it should be equal to dy over dx is equal to, this one is constant, this one is 0, plus 2x is 2 minus 2x. So dy over dx is equal to 2 minus 2x. This is final answer. 2 minus 2x. Two minus 2x. Now part B. Show that the equation of tangent at point A is y is equal to 4x plus y. First of all, we write the equation of tangent. Equation of tangent is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. y1 minus y minus y1, the point of A, the point of A is this one. This one is equal to -1 and 0. First value is x1 and second value is y1. y1 is equal to 0 is equal to m and x minus x1. x1 is -1, so -1 plus 1, that is equal to 1. So y is equal to m into x plus 1. Now we have to find the value of m. So to find the values of m, we should make derivative is equal to 0. This derivative is called m, like this. Dy over dx is equal to 2 minus 2x. The first derivative of equation is called m. M is a slope, is equal to 2 minus 2x. Putting the values of x, m is equal to 2 minus 2. The values of x is -1. So m is equal to 2 minus minus plus 2 plus 2, 4. The value of m is 4. Put here the values of m. So y is equal to values of m is 4 into x plus 1. So y is equal to 4 multiply with x, that is equal to 4x. 4 multiply with 1, that is equal to 4. This is our equation, like this. Part B. The line L is perpendicular to the line y is equal to 4x plus 4. the line L passes through the point B. This line is passing through the point B. The point B is 2 and 3. The point B is 2 and 3. Find the equation of the line L. Give your answer in the form of y is equal to mx plus c. So this is a perpendicular line. The slope of line should be negative minus m1. Which one is m1? So that is equal to minus 1 by 4. Equation of tangent y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Y minus x1, y1 is 3 is equal to m is minus 1 by 4 into x minus x1 is 2, this one. Shift my on other minus 3 on this side. So y is equal to minus 1 by 4 into x minus 2 plus 3. So y is equal to minus 1 by 4 multiply with x, that is equal to minus 1 by 4 x minus 1 by 4 multiply with minus 2, that is equal to 1 2 by 4 plus 3. So y is equal to minus 1 by 4 x. Simplify these two values, we get plus 7 by 4. This is our final answer. Minus 1 by 4 x plus 7 by 2. Part C. Find the coordinates of the maximum point on the graph. The given line is y is equal to 3 plus 2x minus 2x square. Take derivative with respect to x. Dy over dx is equal to 0 plus 2 minus 2x, and dy over dx is equal to 2 minus 2x. For maximum point, put derivative is equal to 0. Dy over dx is equal to 0. So 2 minus 2x is equal to 0. To find the values of x is equal to 2 divided with 2. So x is equal to 1. First number is 1. And now this one put in this line. To find the values of y. Y is equal to 3 plus 2. Putting the values of x is 1 minus 1 square. Y is equal to 3 plus 2, 1 is 2 minus 1 square is 1. Y is equal to 3 plus 2, 5, 5 minus 1, that is equal to 4. So y is equal to 4. Question number 11. F of x is equal to 2x plus 5. G of x is equal to 1 minus x. h of x is equal to 1 over x plus 1 and x does not equal to minus 1 and j of x is equal to 2 raised to the power x. First of all, find g of minus x. This one is the x values of function g. Where is function g? Here. This one is function g. The values of x is minus 3. Put here minus 3. So g, here is x, put minus 3 is equal to 1 minus 2 into x is minus 3. So 1 minus 2 multiplied by minus 3, that is equal to plus 6. 1 plus 6, that is equal to 7. So the final answer is 7. Find part B. Find f of x multiply g of x plus f is a function of g of x plus 1. So first one is f of x. The function of f of x is 2x plus 5. Multiply with g of x. The function of g of x is 1 minus 2x. Plus f is a function of g of x, means that the x values of function f is g of x. Okay, the function values of g of x means that where is function of f? This one is a function of f. The x values is g of x. Here put g of x, here put g of x, means that 2 here is x is equal to g of x plus 5 at the end plus 1. Okay, and now multiply 2x multiply with 1, that is equal to 2x. 2x multiply with minus 2x, that is equal to minus 4x square. Okay, and 5 multiply with 1, that is equal to 5 1 is 5. 5 multiply with minus 2, that is equal to minus 10x plus 2. Put here function of g of x. The function of g of x is 1 plus minus 2x. 1 minus 2x. 5 plus 1, that is equal to plus 6. And now write highest power is minus 4x square. Next is 2x minus 10x, that is equal to minus 8x plus 5 and plus 6, that is equal to plus 11. And 2 multiply on with numbers into bracket, plus 2 multiply 1, that is equal to 2, minus 2 multiply with 2x, that is equal to 4x. And now arrange minus 4x square minus 8x minus 4x, that is equal to minus 12x, and 11 plus 13, but 11 plus 2, that is equal to 13. This is our required equation. Minus 4x square minus 12x plus 13. Now find the inverse of g of x. Let the function g of x is equal to y. The function of g of x is 1 minus 2x is equal to y. We find the values of x. So x shift on this side and y shift on this side. 1 minus y is equal to 2x divided with 2. 1 minus y divided with 2 is equal to x. So now we know that g of x equal to y. If g is convert shift on this side, so it will be equal to x is equal to g of inverse into y. So x is equal to g of inverse y. Put here 1 minus y divided with 2 is equal to g of inverse of y. Now replace y into x. 1 minus x over 2 is equal to g of inverse into x. So the final answer is 1 minus x divided with 2. Now is part D. Find h multiply h of 1. First of all, we find h of 1. Here the values of x is 1. The function of h of x is equal to 1 over x plus 1. 1 over x plus 1. The values of x is 1. So 1 over 1 plus 1. H of 1 is equal to 1 over 2. Now multiply with h. So h of 1 is equal to 1 by 2. Put here like this. H is 1 over 2. Now here the function of h, the having value is 1 by 2. Again put 1 over. Here is x. Now x is 1 by 2 plus 1. H into 1 by 2 is equal to 1 over. Simplify this, we get 3 by 2 and 2 shift on upper side. So h 1 over 2, that is equal to 2 by 3. This is our answer, 2 by 3. Part E. Simplify 1 over x minus h of x. 1. What is the function of f of x? The function of f of x is 2x plus 5 minus, what is the function of h of x? 1 over x plus 1. So simplify here, x plus 1 multiply in this side, and x 2x plus 5 multiply with minus 1. 1 multiply with x is x. 1 multiply plus 1, that is equal to plus 1. Minus 1 multiply with minus 2x, that is equal to minus 2x. And 1 minus 1 multiply with 5, that is equal to minus 5. Divide with 2x plus 5 into x plus 1. So x minus 2x, that is equal to minus x. 1 minus 5, that is equal to minus 4 over 2x plus 5 into x plus 1, that is our final answer. Minus x minus 4 divided with 2x plus 5 into x plus 1. Part F. Find x if j of x is equal to 1 over 32. So the function of j of x is 2 raised to the power x is equal to 1 over 32. Factorize 32. 32, that is equal to 16, 8, 4, 2 and 2, 1 is 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 2 raised to the power x is equal to 32 should be written in the form of exponential, that is 2 raised to the power 5. So shift on upper side, 2x is equal to, the power should be in negative if we shift on upper, so minus 5. Bases are same. When bases are same, then power are equal to each other, so x is equal to minus 5. This is our final answer. X is equal to minus 5. Now find x if j inverse of x is equal to 0. J inverse of x is equal to 0. If we solve this one, minus j, inverse of j convert on other side, so x is equal to j of 0. So x is equal to the function of j of x. J of x is equal to 2 raised to the power x, means that the values of x is 0. 2 raised to the power 0 and x is equal to 2 raised to the power 0, that is equal to 1. So x is equal to 1. The last question of this paper, question number 12. This is a given quadrilateral ABCD and E is the midpoint of CD. E is the midpoint of CD. AB is equal to 8.7 centimeter. BC is equal to 11.4 centimeter and C is equal to 10.9 centimeter. Angle ADE is equal to 90 degree and angle ABC is equal to 119 and angle CAE is equal to 20 degree. Show that AC, this line, show that AC, this line, show that this line is equal to 17.37 centimeter, correct to 2 decimal place. Now in this side we have 2 lengths, 2 side and 1 angle, 2 side and 1 angle, so we must use cosine law. Now the given angle is B, so use cos B is equal to sum of other side except the front side. This one is the front side of angle, so sum of except sum of other side is AB, AB square plus second one is BC. BC square minus front side of angle. The front side of angle is AC. AC square divided with 2 into AB into BC. Now putting the values of B, cos B is equal to 119 is equal to AB is equal to 8.7 here. This one is the values of AB. 8.7 square plus, and BC is 11.4 square minus AC is square divided with 2 into the value of AB is 8.7 and BC is 11.4. So calculate these values. Cos 119, that is equal to minus 0.484 is equal to square of this value and square of taking square of this values. Add up, we get 205.65 minus AC square. Multiply these values with each other, we get 198.36. So this values is divided, shift on other side, it will be multiply minus 0.484 multiply 198.36. so this value shift on this side, it will be negative minus 205.65 is equal to minus AC square. Multiply these values and subtract these values, we get minus 301.65 is equal to minus AC square. So minus cancel with minus, the remaining values is 301.65 is equal to AC square. So taking square root on both sides, 301.65 is equal to AC square. So square root cancel with square. So AC is equal to, calculate these values, this is equal to 17.372. This is answer, and write unit centimeter. So AC is equal to 17.372 centimeter. Now the part B, angle AEC is obtuse, calculate the angle ACE. First of all, we calculate the angle A AEC. So we use sine law. Sine, in this here we find angle E. Sine E divided with front side of this angle. Where is sine E? This one. This one is sine E. Okay. Divide with front side. Front side is AC. Divide with AC is equal to sine A. Divide with front side. The front side of sine angle A is EC. Is EC. So sine E over AC is 17.372 is equal to sine A. The angle A is equal to 20 divided with EC. EC is equal to 10.9. So sine E over 17.372 sine 20 divided with 10, we get 0.031. And now sine E is equal to this values multiply with this value, 0.031 multiply 17.372, multiply these values, we get sine E is equal, multiply these values, we get 0.538. So sine shift in this side, it will be inverse. So E is equal to sine inverse into 0.538. So calculate this value, we get 33.27. So AC is obtuse angle. That's why the angle AEC is equal to 180 minus this angle, 33.27, that is equal to 146.37, and calculate the angle of C. Now we have to calculate the angle of C. Where is C? This one is C. So we have to calculate this one. We have this angle and we have this angle. This is a triangle. So 180 minus this angle and this angle. Then we calculate angle C. Angle ACE is equal to 180 minus angle A minus angle E. angle ACE is equal to 180 minus angle A is 20 minus angle E is, the angle E is this one, 146.73. Calculate these values, we get 13.02. So the final answer of AC is 13.02. And now the last question is calculate the perimeter of the quadrilateral ABCD. Now we have to calculate the quadrilateral of A, B, C and D. In this diagram we have this value, we have this value and CE also, but now we not have the side of AD and DE. So first of all we calculate this value, then we able to calculate the area of this quadrilateral. So now we use the triangle AEC. AEC to calculate the length of this one. First of all we calculate this length. Okay, to calculate this one AE we use law of sine. Like this we use triangle AEC. To find the side of AE, divided with front side of this angle, like sine, the front angle of this side is C, is equal to CE divided with sine A. So AE divided with sine angle C is equal to 13.02 is equal to CE is equal to 10.9. The angle C we use this one, this, okay, here, and sine A is 20. So AE calculate sine 13.02, that is equal to 0.225 is equal to, calculate these values, 10.9 divided with sine 20, that is equal to 31.87. multiply this value on other side, so AE is equal to 30.87 multiply 0.225, so AE is equal to, multiply these values, we get 7.170. This one is AE. So now we have to calculate this value, this line, and now we are going to calculate this side. We have find this side, that's we able to find this side. So to find this side we use ratio like Sin theta is equal to perpendicular over hypotenuse. Sin, the values of theta is 33.27 is equal to perpendicular is AD and hypotenuse is AE, like this. Now we have to use this triangle. So this front side is AE, okay, and now this is angle. This angle we should take from here, that is equal to this one, angle E. Angle E is equal to 33.27, okay. Put these values, calculate sin 33.27, that is equal to 0.548 is equal to AD divided with AE. The values of AE, this one, 7.170. This values will multiply this side, 0.548 multiply 7.170 is equal to AD. So multiply these values, we find the values of AD. AD is equal to 3.933 centimeter square. Sorry, centimeter. The other value is centimeter, this is also centimeter. So this values is equal to 3.933 centimeter. So now we have to find these values. So to find these values, we use cos theta. Cos theta is equal to base over hypotenuse. The base is DE and hypotenuse is AE. Okay. Cos, the angle is 33.27. We have to find DE. So DE is same, divided with AE. A is this one, 7.170. Calculate these values, that is equal to 0.836 is equal to DE divided by 7.170. Multiply this value, so DE is equal to 6. So DE, this side, is equal to 6. Now we have to able to calculate the perimeter of this quadrilateral. So now we are going to calculate the perimeter of this quadrilateral. P is equal to, the first side is AB plus BC plus CE plus ED plus DA. Okay, so P is equal to BA is equal to 8.7 and BC is 11.4 plus CE is equal to 10.9 plus ED is equal to 6 plus DA is equal to 3.933. Sum of these values, that is equal to 40.9 centimeter. That is equal to 40.9 centimeter. This is our final answer. 40.9. This is our final answer. I hope you will be able to got each and everything's point of this paper. If you face any problem during this discussion, you will be comment me on my comment section area. I will reply you as soon as possible. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.